Hello. In this video you will see how the Smartling Sanity connector allows content to be quickly and easily pushed to Smartling for translation and automatically retrieved once the translation process is complete. The Smartling Sanity connector is a hosted connector, which means after a simple setup, translations can be triggered directly in Smartling. As a hosted connector, it also means that any updates to content in Sanity can automatically be detected by the connector and pulled through for translation, reducing the level of project management required in the translation process. Here we have an item in Sanity that is ready for translation. We can see that currently the translation section is empty for each language. Within Smartling, we can navigate to the Sanity tab and use the filters to find the items to be requested for translation. The relevant items can be selected individually or in bulk, and the translation request made, giving the translation job a name, and selecting which languages should be included. When creating the job, an instant cost estimate shows the estimated cost for the job based on the amount of translation memory leverage obtained. This allows you to make informed decisions on if this job is in line with the expected budget for the translation. Only the new or changed content is placed into the job, which means there is no need to do any additional preparation to the files before sending them for translation, again freeing up time. You can select one or more workflows that each impact the estimate instantly on the screen. Once you are satisfied with the estimate, you can authorize the translation, and that's it. Once the translations are completed, they will be pushed back to Sanity automatically. If you want to be more involved in the process, you can open up the cat tool and see what the translators see. When content is being translated, visual context can be shown to allow the translator to see how the translations will be displayed. Any glossary terms are clearly shown, as well as translation memory matches. Quality assurance checks are shown in real time, allowing the translators to raise issues or address the problem before moving forward. All of these aspects come together to allow the translator to provide a high quality translation on the first attempt. Once the translation workflow is completed, the translations are automatically sent back to Sanity. Here is the item that was requested for translation, and we can now see the translations are back in the relevant section. This shows how you can quickly and easily trigger the translation process, complete the translation workflow within Smartling, and have the translation automatically sent back to Sanity. Thank you for your time.